The Silverflow 8586D2 soldering station, a versatile solution for electronics work. This 2-inch-1 unit combines a soldering iron and hot air rework station for through-hole and SMD components. Twin digital displays provide clear temperature readouts for each tool. Temperature ranges from 200 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, 750 watt power. The hot air gun features adjustable airflow up to 120 liters per minute. Temperature calibration ensures precision heating and extends tip life. Auto sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity saves energy. Ergonomic design with SAN FCC certification for quality. The perfect choice for pro technicians and hobbyist tinkerers alike.